loves, welcome back. So if you guys want to stay tuned and watch how I got this look, then keep on watching. So before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that has been subscribing to my channel. I appreciate the support. So let's get started with the video. So I'm going to be using all my Enail Couture products that I got from my last video. I'm going to be using all of them. All the ones you see right there in the video. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to use Cupid and Grand Champion on the video because for some reason it got cut off. I don't know why, you guys, but I apologize for that. But I am going to be using my Kupa odorless monomer and my Kolinsky brush, my round Kolinsky brush number 12 from Galleria. So let's talk about a little bit about his monomer. Foremost, I'm speaking of just my opinion, you guys. It's how they work for me, and if it doesn't work for you, I apologize for that. But I really like his original monomer. It's a low odor monomer. It smells like candy. Once you file off, like when you start filing your nails, it does not smell like candy while you're using it, okay? So let's get that out of the way. But let's just say it does not give you a headache. Like, it did not give me a headache when I was using it. It's a very low odor. And you guys, I cannot stand stinky monomers. I can't. It does give me a migraine. It gives me a headache. And with this monomer, it didn't. And another thing, another plus is I'm not allergic to it. It does not contain, it's HEMA free. So I really like that. It's very nice. It's a workable, you could work with it. You could work with your monomer and your acrylic, your powders together. It's a medium setting. That's what I'm trying to say. It's a medium setting. It's not a fast setting. It's not a low setting. It's a medium setting. You're able to work with your acrylics like that whenever you are placing your bead on your nails. Now let's talk about his fast monomer, his new one that he came out with. That one, I won't say it's a low odor. It actually gave me a headache. I would definitely recommend it if you're using it for 3D work. I think if that's what it's intended for, but I think he said you could customize your other monomers by adding a couple of drops of his monomer onto them, to the other monomers, because it's a very fast setting, you guys. I did try to sculpt the nail and it was just drying out. It just looked like little bumps and bumps and bumps. You would have to work like more wet the bead. Not too dry. It depends on the weather as well. But I really do like it for 3D, you guys. And it does not smell like tutti frutti, what he says. It does not smell like that. I think once you file, yes, it does. But as for while you're using it, no. And it's not a low odor. It does not smell like low odor, you guys. It's really gave me a headache. Overall, his acrylic powders, I do like it. I feel like you could try out most of his powders at a very decent price, a very competitive price, from little 4 ounces to, I don't know, bigger ounces, I would say. But I really like that he gives you that opportunity to try out most of his acrylic without committing to buying a big bulk of his product without knowing if you're gonna like it or not. So I was really happy that I was able to do that I was able to purchase, you know, sample sizes, like small little containers, like those little containers you guys see right there, to see which one I like the most. And I really did I like that aspect of the business wise. And I really do like Eternal Beige. It's a pretty color, you guys. It's a very, I don't know, it's very classy color on your nails. Now the acrylics did work well with other monomers. I did use it with the Kupa, and I did use it with Glitterbell's odorless monomer as well, and with my other stinky monomers. It works well. I really like that. I really do like that, because sometimes I feel like some acrylics cannot work well with other monomers, and it isn't in this case. It's not the case with this acrylic system. But you guys, would I recommend it to you guys? If you're a beginner, if you're intermediate, I would recommend his products. It's a very nice acrylic line. I wish there was a little bit more. I mean, more of being able to navigate his website. I feel like it's everywhere. There's not really a concrete, I don't know how to explain it, but it's I wish it was more organized, his website, in my opinion. That's just my opinion, you guys. Don't get offended. But yeah, you guys, I really like this, the way it turned out. It wasn't to create a nail design. It was more of me trying out his acrylics, and I really did like it. I really do like it. I am going to be trying out his happy gel soon on a video to do my other hand with it. So I'll be recording that as well. And I'll let you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys do like this video, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and if you do subscribe, make sure you guys hit the little bell to get notified whenever I do upload new videos. And I think that's about it, you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed all the content that I've been putting out for you guys, and see you guys until next time. Bye.